Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPJPY and we'll also share our trading ideas of GBPJPY with all of you guys. But before that, first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's analysis. So these analyses were did in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did these analysis and we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level. Market was almost here when we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level, and here we have this demand area and we will open a buy trade in this demand area. But when market come in this resistance level, if we look on M30 time frame, so there was a supply area. This was the supply area. So when market come in this resistance level, I opened a sell trade and my SL was above this candle high. So here was my SL and I opened a trade for 1-3 risk reward, and that worked very well. Market open, my order comes little bit down and a little bit retracement, then move down towards my TP. That was a nice trade. So right now we are going to remove these areas and we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPJPY. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So this is the GBPJPY chart, D1 chart. So look here what's going on. Okay, so this is the level and here another support level. So now we will move on H4 time frame. So we will adjust this area here. Okay, fine. Now we will move on H1 time frame and let's modify this area. Yeah, perfect. So I think there's not clear trade in GBPJPY today. So basically I didn't see any trade in GBPJPY today. So but we have a resistance. Here we have our moving averages at this point. So basically I think we can take a little bit risk. So if we open a sell trade here, so here, then our SL will be, yeah, perfect. So basically I am going to open a sell trade. I am going to open live sell trade almost here. My SL is above this level. Just give me a second. I'm going to open a sell trade on my MT4 account. Where's my mobile phone? Yeah, perfect. So I opened a sell trade. Right now my order is almost 154.897. My entry is at 897 and our SL will be 15 pips and 15 pips, and our TP, let's see. Let's move on H1 time frame and adjust our TP. I think 1-3 risk reward will be fine. 1-2 risk reward will be fine. So basically our SL will be almost 155.047 and our TP will be 104.597. 7. Okay, so this is the live GBP JPY trade. I opened this trade on my real account, so let's see what will happen. So this is the GBP JPY live trade for today. Please like this video, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBP USD and GBP JPY for intraday trading. So if you are looking for best forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.